Alright, now we have a like goal. If we can get to 35 likes, we'll do the collection video and we'll even tell you the grand total. But if we don't make it to 35 likes in time, then we'll do the grand total. We'll do the
collection video, but not
the grand total.
Right. Okay, that sounds fair.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't been able to record in a while because, as you can see, I have a knee injury, and this is only a refill video. We're going to 3 locations and 3 machines, and let me show you where we hold all of our stock. So these bins is where we carry all the candy. This is where we carry the chips and stuff. This is where we carry all the drinks. This is to carry the drinks because it's so heavy. And this is where I stand on to refill the candy and chips. So let me show you to the first location. Hey guys, so this is our first location, the Laundromat location. It's a combo machine and it doesn't hold that much. So we're gonna be refilling this one more often than the other locations. We're gonna refill the snacks and the drinks. And let's see what we got.
Alright, let's open it up. Let's take a peek. I think we were here about a week ago, so we refilled everything last week. But since we're going to be out of town, we want to make sure it's filled to the top, since this one doesn't hold too much, right? So what's down here? These are the drinks, right?
Yep.
Alright, so we got the different options with the drinks. And then this row holds what?
Candy.
And these two hold chips. Chips, snacks, pastries, whatever you want to put in there. So we'll get some shots of filling it up, right?
Yep.
And then we'll do some voiceover and maybe we'll take a sneak peek of how much money's in there, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get to it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens.
Alright guys, this time we're gonna do something special for the video. Before we leave, every time we like to take a sneak peek of how much we made so far.
Nice.
And you can look at the coins. That is quite the cash.
Let me go around the other side. There we go. Now this has dollar coins in it, quarters, nickels, dimes. Oh, there's one hiding. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. There
Don't you think you can escape?
Alright, let's lock it up and let's go to the next video. We're all stocked up.
Location.
Next location, sorry.
Guys, this is the second location of our apartment building, and we're gonna be refilling one machine. It's just a snack machine, and let's see how we're doing.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 empty coils.
And if you also didn't notice, we have a new camera because the GoPro wasn't working as good.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
Alright guys, that was it for this machine. We're all filled up and time for another sneak peek. Let's see what we have in bills.
It's nice. It's a good amount.
Not good as the laundromat though, but they does the job. Alright, now the coins, cameraman, you can zoom in if you want.
Okay, that's actually a good amount. This is actually a real tall box, but that's a good amount. All right, let's lock it up and get to the next one.
Okay, guys, this is the third and final location. The last location is the apartment building, but not the other one, the other apartment building. So let's open it up and see what we have. First, how much do we have in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 empty quarters. Open it up.
I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning.
Alright, got this machine filled. We don't know what to put on there. And now we're doing a sneak peek again. So let's see the bills. I can't even read.
No, this one you got to take it off.
Let's take it out.
That one's okay. It's even less than the last one. It's not great, but it's still good.
Yeah, it's better than nothing. Alright, now time for the coins.
Yeah, good amount for the
Good amount.
coins. Let's get in there. Yep.
Alright, now we have a like goal. If we can get to 35 likes, we'll do the collection video and we'll even tell you the grand total. But if we don't make it to 35 likes in time, then we'll do the grand total. We'll do the
Collection video, but not
the grand total.
right. Okay, that sounds fair. I don't think 35 is too many to ask for, right?
Alright guys, it's the end of the video. And remember, our like goal is 35 likes if you want to see the grand total. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back next time. Bye.